Hi, I'm Paige, a team member at Squarespace. Today, I'm going to show you how to create polished, on-brand product and service listings faster with Squarespace. If you run a business online, you already know that creating the offer is only part of the job. You also have to explain it clearly, make it feel professional, and help people understand why they should buy or book. That can take a lot of time. Squarespace can help you get started faster by creating strong first drafts for listings, promotions, and other business content in just a few clicks, so you can spend less time writing and more time focused on your customers. Let's take a look. First, let's talk about your listing. When you add a new product or service in Squarespace, the AI Product Composer helps you get started faster. Simply enter a short description of what you offer, and it can generate a polished description, a suggested price, and SEO copy for your listing. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're starting with something solid. Whether you're offering consulting, coaching, classes, workshops, a signature program, or a physical product, this makes it much easier to turn what you sell into a clear, professional listing that's ready for people to discover and buy. And that's important because your listing is often one of the first things people see. It helps potential customers understand what you offer and why it's worth their time. It's also not just about saving time, it's about getting the tone right. Squarespace uses your brand identity, including details about your business and brand personality, to create content that feels more like your business from the start. That's especially helpful for service providers and really for anyone selling online because people want to feel good about what they're buying and who they're buying it from. The right copy can make your business feel more polished, more trustworthy, and easier to say yes to. And of course, you can edit, regenerate, or adjust anything along the way. Think of it as a starting point that gets you a lot closer, faster. Once you have that draft, you can shape it however you want. Maybe you want the description to feel more elevated. Maybe you want it to sound warmer, clearer, or more focused on the result. AI makes that part easier too. And because the AI Product Composer also helps you generate SEO copy, your listing can be better set up to get discovered in search too. You can also use AI to help set up promotions. Once your product or service is live, the AI Discount Composer can help you come up with other ideas for different moments and audiences. So whether you want to create a first session offer, a seasonal package, or a limited time promotion, it gives you an easier place to start. That's especially useful when you know you want to run a promotion, but you're not quite sure how to frame it in a way that still feels compelling and fits your brand. With Squarespace, creating content for what you sell doesn't have to be such a long, manual process. You can create a polished product or service listing from a short description, generate suggested pricing and SEO copy, keep your content aligned with your brand voice, and create promotional offers faster with AI-generated ideas. All of this helps you get to market faster, show up more professionally, and spend more time doing the work you actually care about. Running a business means doing a lot at once, but when it comes to creating content that helps you sell what you offer, you don't have to do it all on your own. Open Squarespace, try the AI Product Composer, and create your next listing in just a few clicks. And remember, you've got this.